4 tips to teach you how to identify cotton wet wipes. There are mainly 2 types of wet wipes on the market: natural cotton wet wipes and chemical fiber wet wipes. Tip 1. Check the packaging text. If the packaging says 100% cotton spunlace nonwoven fabric, or it is a natural cotton wet wipe. If it mentions spunlace nonwoven fabric, plant fibers, or wood pulp fibers, it is a chemical fiber wet wipe. Tip 2. Check the fiber morphology. Cotton belongs to natural fibers and appears curly with varying lengths. Chemical fibers, on the other hand, are industrially manufactured and have a smooth and shiny appearance with neat cuts. Tip 3. Compare the tensile strength. Cotton wet wipes can be easily torn apart under strong pulling force, while chemical fiber wet wipes are not easily torn. Tip 4. Compare the purity of water. Enlarge the liquid squeezed from the wet wipe by 10,000 times. Cotton wet wipes contain EDI ultra-pure water, while chemical fiber wet wipes contain microplastic particles. Natural cotton wet wipes provide a safer and more reassuring experience for your hands and mouth. Wet wipes are simply better when made of cotton.
Winner Medical.